Is your PC suffering from random FPS drops, annoying micro-stutters, or input lag while gaming? Before you spend money on new hardware, try these hidden Windows cache cleanup methods that can help improve your system's performance in just a few minutes. Before starting, all of you are most welcome in my channel Techie Dialog. First, you have to open Run dialog box. To do this, you have to press Windows key plus R. As you can see, Run box is open. You have to type percentage temp percentage and then press enter. This opens your user temporary directory where background applications constantly dump junk data. Press Ctrl plus A to select absolutely everything, then right click and hit delete. If a pop-up tells you a file is currently in use, simply click the box at the bottom and click skip. This just means an application you currently have open is using that specific file, which is completely normal. Once done, close the window. Now, for the deep directory that Windows activity hides from you, now you have to open again Run dialog box. So, again you have to press Windows key plus R. This time you have to type Prefetch in the box and hit enter. If a window pop up asking for administrator permission, just click continue. This folder stores launch logs to automatically open your apps faster, but when it fills up with logs from old uninstalled software, it completely bottleneck your RAM's instruction cache. Again, press Ctrl plus A and then right click and then click on delete and clear it all out. Don't worry, Windows will automatically rebuild clear versions of these files only for apps you actually use. Finally, we need to fix assets loading starters in games. This time go to Windows search bar and type disk cleanup, then right click on it and select run as administrator. Select your local disk C drive and click OK. Then scroll down and check only the box for DirectX shared cache, and all box will be unchecked. Then you have to press OK button, click on delete files. Wiping the shader cache is completely safe. It simply forces your graphics card to clear out old corrupted data from past game updates and build fresh stable shaders from scratch. Now that your system cache is completely optimized, that's how you safely clear hidden Windows cache files that may be affecting your gaming performance. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more Windows optimization tips. That's all for today. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.